Welcome to Easy Cooking with Don Juan. And on today's recipe, we're going to be having my easy and delicious chicken salad. And make sure your hands are super duper clean. And these are the ingredients you will need. You will need 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of celery salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, a half of a sweet Vidalia onion chopped up, 2 chicken breasts chopped up. You will need 3 tablespoons of sweet relish, 1 cup of mayo, and 3 boiled eggs. And when I get all of this in my bowl to get ready to mix it up, I'll be right back to show you that. And now I'm about to show you how to mix this delicious chicken salad together. I already have my chicken breast already in there, and I already have my chopped up eggs, boiled eggs in there. Now I'm going to put my chopped onions inside of there, just like that. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of celery salt, 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper, 3 tablespoons of sweet relish, and a cup of mayonnaise of your choice. Cup of mayonnaise of your choice. Now, and all you have to do is just stir it up, mix it together, just like this. Everything together, just like that. Just like that. Just mix it all together, get it nice and incorporated, and mix together. And mix together. And when I get everything mixed all together and done, I'll come back and show you the finished product of my easy and delicious chicken salad. And this is the final product of my easy and delicious chicken salad. Look at it, y'all. It looks good. It smells good, and I know it's going to taste good. And if you want more Easy Cooking with Don Juan, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And tell the whole world what I'm doing in this kitchen each and every day. And make sure you watch all my other videos.
I got a girl that compliments my fly.